We are staying at Aruba, and you can see that it's pretty darn close to the Riviera station. I would definitely come here instead of going all the way down to the other one. Great views. Alright, Caribbean Beach Resort, Aruba, 5447. Let's check this room out. Oh wow, nice. Double queen beds and a fifth sleeper. So this folds down. Oh, that's cool. Yep, we'll put that to use. Somebody put a Mickey up there. Let's see if there's anything. Oh yeah, that's where the mini fridge is. Cool. Is there anything in this one? Drawers, extra linens. Oh, I love these sliding doors. These are great. Great. Two sinks. End wall safe. Extra pillow and blanket. Pretty standard bathroom. We got some extra storage space beneath it. Table and chairs. And out there is the pool. Overall, pretty nice looking room.